Hello, we're looking inside the bottom side of this data set. And when I pressed something. What did I press? How can I tell? I pressed play, and everything down here is spinning as it should. The counter is not. Oh, occasionally this little guy spins, but not very much. See this here, and this here, this is the motor. And it can be used on something else. Another data set thing. I've often wondered about these things. Why does it have that thing there? Unless you can you hook up another one? Anyway, I don't know if you can see. I'll zoom in some more. See, this is all spinning. And it seems to be spinning quite fine. But upstairs, it ain't. I'm going to slide over a bit. Let's look at the counter thing. Okay, see the counter thing here. This here should be spinning. And it is occasionally. Ever so slightly. You can see the numbers moving just a little wee bit. But that doesn't cut it, and of course that's how tapes get chewed up and eaten. And then if we tweak this forward a little bit, there's this other everything else, these big three, the main three, there's the big one in the middle, the kind of smaller one off to the right side, and then this tiny one on the left side that comes directly from the motor. They're all spinning fine. Anyway, something is not right. So, we have some parts. And there's lots of parts in here. I mean, if you look here, look, hey, look, there's a tiny little spring. But do I need that? No. Might I? Who knows? Who knows? Anyway. Well, if you remember also the cord on this one, it is soldered on, but it's ugly. And yeah. Oh well. Things happen. So I'll put this with the pile of data sets that don't work. And this is probably the last time anyone will ever see it doing much of anything. See, this is the kind of thing that I don't think I'd even, well, I guess I'd sell for parts, but not for very much. Because parts are good. You never know. I mean, even, hey, where are you going to get a little motor to go in your data set? But do they ever die? I don't know. Anyway, enough of this. Let's back out. You can see the internals of a Commodore C2N dataset. Circuit board to the right, motor to the left, big spinny stuff here and there, belts going along. Who knows? Maybe the belt on this could be used for something else. Maybe. Oh, what's funny is I look here. No, this is still wonky. It is spinning better, but not good enough to be reliable. Let's zoom back in on this. So you can see the counter, and it starts and it stops and it starts and it stops. And that's not good. That's when the tapes don't get sucked in properly and they get eaten. Which is what happened. Tragic and sad. Oh dear. Oh well. Onward to the next data set. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.